Alright guys, so today I have a 2012 Fiat 500. We're gonna do spark plugs, a cabin filter, and washer pump. First things first, you gotta disconnect the battery before you work on anything in the car. First thing we're gonna do is the spark plugs. You're gonna need a 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, a size 10, a size 8, a 5/8 spark plug socket, and your impact driver. First things first, you're gonna remove the cover from the engine, and then you're gonna take out 3 size 8s located here, here, and there's one more on the top. And then don't forget to take out the rubber hoses. It's just 2, they just slip off. It's just size 10s holding down the coils to the valve cover. Just remove the size 10 and pull out the coil. So the instructions in the back of the spark plug box, it's basically hand tight and then you go a quarter turn. But I'm going to use an impact. Don't forget to reconnect your negative cable and make sure it starts. These are the tools you're going to need for the washer pump. You're going to need a number 2 Phillips head, and a screwdriver, and a 17 with your impact wrench to take out this tire. The washer pump is on this side. You got to jack up the car, jack up the vehicle, take off the wheels, and then you're going to want to take off this splash bar, just the front side, because the washer pump should pop off the plastic. Comes with a new grommet and everything. I also need 2 wheel bearings on this, but I forgot to bring my socket for the shaft nut. So we're gonna just tear it apart, get it ready, and then when I come over, all I have to do is just remove the shaft nut and pop off the lower ball joint. It's super simple to replace. As soon as you have it exposed, just remove the clip. It's like a spring clip. Push that and pull it up, and then the washer pump pulls up straight out. So before you put everything back, you gotta go inside the car and test it. Try it out, make sure it works. Missed. And we're golden. Very strong motor. Right, good. Now you can put the screws back. So we're moving on to replacing the cabin filter. It's located on the passenger side, center console. You have to remove a bunch of push clips, and then there's a panel here with a size T20 holding it in. Just remove the T20 and then the panel should just pop straight out. These are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a pry tool, a 5.5 1/4" with an extension and a ratchet, a T20 torque socket, and an impact driver. Okay, there are 2 5.5s holding in the cover for the cabin filter. You just take it out, one's on the bottom and one's kind of like in the middle. Once you got that out, you get your filter, and then you'll notice if you look at the markings on the filter, you'll see 2 arrows. This doesn't mean face up. This means the flow of the air. So basically it's the suction zone, so it's going to go in this way because it gets the air from outside. Okay, to take out the wheel bearing, first you have to remove the 2 17s that are behind here. Holds the caliper to the knuckle. And then you're gonna have to take out this. The front is a 15 and the rears are 17s. This one is held together by a Allen key. Since I didn't have the tool for the axle shaft, I went ahead and just prepped it. Then I'm gonna come back later and remove the bearing, press it out, and reinstall.